Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set up and use point redemption in Smile.io step by step. In a loyalty program, earning points is only half the journey. Redemption is what actually drives the purchase and the conversions. So let's dive into the video without delay. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I'm using my loyalty program rewards app. I have downloaded this from the Shopify app store. You can search the app smile.io from this search bar and you can find the app from the Shopify app store. So on clicking the app, you can just see the installation page like this. This contains some overviews or key points of this particular app, and also there is a pricing plans available over here. So it provides some free plans. So you can just start with the free plans and explore more. And if this find helpful, you can just upgrade to their pricing plans also. And there is some reviews from different merchants and available here. So you can just go through this and you can just click on install button. Now what happens is if you are logging to your Shopify admin panel, then this app will be installed in the app section. So click on app section and you can click on the program. Make sure that you are under the points tab. Now scroll down to the redeem points section. Here you can see the available rewards in the left right hand side. Like this is a order discount, and this is the order discount one which I have created earlier. And this equals where the discount points equals 100 points equals $1. To create a new or a new discount or a reward, click on add ways to redeem. Then you can choose online store or the ways to redeem the type. Like I'm just clicking on amount discount. This is the most common reward type. Anyway, so here you can configure how customers will redeem their points. First, select the redeem style. You can choose a fixed amount of points or allow it in the increments of points. I recommend the fixed amount for the simplicity for now. And set how many points are required. For example, 500 points requires for $5 discount. This means customers clearly understand the value of their points. And next, choose where this discount applies. I will select the entire order because this works across all the products then. You can also limit it to a specific collection if needed. And when the customer eligibility, you can just discount can only be used to a recipient receiver's accounts like this. And you can also have some minimum requirement, like on clicking this and add the minimum requirements over here. This will be a benefit for some stores to have or to make a rule to redeem the rewards with minimum purchase. Otherwise, you can choose none also. And you can just add a discount code like this. Use a prefix and you can just type the discount code here. And you can also combine this discount with the existing order discount or shipping discount or a product discount. And if you are on an upgrade plan, you can also have the reward expiry date to be set up over here. So after this, you can just make sure that it is active and you can just have a look on your summary. And then you can just click on create. And if you want to edit the name, you can just go to set name and you can just have it a customized one and you can just paste the customize the name over here. Or you can use the by default suggest name as the $5 off on paper. And you can just click on create. Now just go back, you can see the rewards showing up here. So when a customer opens your store, click on the symbol smile widget and select the rewards. Once they redeem, they get a discount code and that can be applied at the checkout page. So that's how you can create or you can redeem reward points using Smile.io app in your Shopify store. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.